Alright. What's up, guys? Back again with another video. It's your boy, Official Anarchy. That was out of order. Let's try it again. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Official Anarchy, back with another video. And, today, we're going to martial arts class. To be specific, I'm going to my son's martial arts class. Alright, we're gonna go watch my son do martial arts. Yeah. I'm actually very happy that he enjoys doing this because we signed him up for Taekwondo. Well, they were doing free classes for like a week or so, and he enjoyed like the first day, and then the second day he did not enjoy getting flipped around, so he was not happy with it. But this class he says he likes because he gets to practice on the pads and like the like punching bag kind of thing instead of actual people, so he likes that. I don't know why I have my hand on the clutch when I'm in neutral right now. It's ridiculous. But yeah, on my way to do that. It's like a little 20-minute, 30-minute drive on my ground, so it's not too bad. You know, your boy loves driving his ground anyways. So, let's see what else we got today. Oh, in the world of Rubik's Cube solving, well, my world of Rubik's Cube solving, I have a new personal best. 38 seconds. Yeah. Your boy has finally broken 1 minute. Well, I've been breaking a minute for the last, I think, month now, but I've consistently been breaking a minute. And like, I think a week ago was my best was like 42 seconds. And thought I heard ambulance. Yeah, it's sad. People, that's probably like the 5th time now that I've had to do a wheelie, but I cannot wheelie. It's very sad. It breaks my heart. I feel embarrassed, but I can't get it up. that's what he said. Sadly enough, I can't get it up. This ground has an extended swing arm, so the balance point is farther back, and it just, I can't get the wheel up, man. I've tried, maybe not enough to actually really get it, but I don't have it. I have the 14 tooth sprocket in the front, and I got a 40 tooth sprocket for the back, but it was not the correct one for this bike for some reason, even though Amazon told me it was. But yeah, I have tried to wheelie a few times, but I can't even get the front tire up, really, like, at all. I don't know if I'm just not doing it right or what, but I probably just have to practice more, maybe. It was like last week, on the way to my son's martial arts class, a bunch of like kids, and I think that hurt me the most. It was like some kids was like, Willie, do a Willie. I'm like, oh no. And it sucks because it looks like I'm just telling them no, I won't do it. But in reality, I just can't. I can't do it. I'm incapable. I don't have the skills. What is going on? I don't know what that was about. But no. Stop. 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 Why are you reading me my alarms? What the heck? Why are you reading me my alarms? Gemini, stop! Or Bixby, stop! Stop! Shut up! Stop up! Bro, what is going on? No! No, I don't want to hear more. No! What the hell? No! No! Stop. Carter, music on. Hey Carter, music on.
Music on.
Oh, great. Bixby turned my music off. Yeah,
Music on.
What the heck? Ah, dang it. Bixby turned my music off. Oh, what the hell? Anyways, what was I don't even remember what I was talking about. Oh, Willies. I can't Willie. I'm incapable. I lack the skills to Willie to get the front tire up. Yeah, I probably just need more practice. Like, I just need to find a good area to do it in too, because I don't want to be a jerk and like be ripping it through like people's houses and shit, and then also where there's not vehicles, and also don't want to get a ticket or get my bike taken for doing wheelies in some business's parking lot. So eventually I'll find a spot to do it. Anyways, I think that's a long enough video for today. Again, as always, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.